Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block contacts from seeing your profile on the Tinder application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download the Tinder application on your phone. So if you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be using. So after doing that, all you need to do, just go launch the Tinder application and then sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So after that, just go, as we said, launch the Tinder application, and that will be actually your main screen. Here you can actually like or actually like decline people. Here we have the explore option. Here we have the option if you want to see the people who liked you, and that will actually needs a Tinder Gold, which you will need to pay for it. Here you can say the top picks. Here you can message people that you actually like and they like you back. You can start messaging with them. So all we need to do is just go to and click at our icon of our profile icon here. And of course this could be another profile, another icon here, like another picture here. It depends on the picture of the of your profile. Of course, after going here to your profile, you would like to go to your settings, and all you need to do, just scroll down until you find the option of block contact. So let me just scroll down a bit. So as you can see here, I have this option here. So here actually we have, or we should first of all grant the permission to Tinder to use or to access our contact. So after of course grants this permission, we will be able to start blocking contacts, or maybe some people that we know, from seeing our profile. Of course, all you need to do, just go and click at the plus icon here, and you can add the name. Of course, you can add the contact info, which is the phone number or the email. So if they are currently using Tinder, they will not be able to see your profile, or if they actually start using or will start using Tinder on the future, they will not be able to see your profile as well, and they will be blocked as well. So if you, of course, as we said, you can add it here, and you can find the contacts that are using Tinder here, and you can start blocking whatever you want. Of course, here we have the option of disconnecting the contacts list. Of course, if you want to remove the permission to access your contacts list, you can just go and click on that. We have here the option of blocked. Here you can see every contact that you blocked actually in Tinder. You will find it here, and maybe you can unblock them whenever you want. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.